Hello everyone, I am Arpita Bharadwaj from SYCAC. My roll number is 212. Today I explain the process concept. Let's start. Process concept. An operating system is responsible for running a variety of programs. Each of these running programs is treated as a process. What is process? A process is nothing but programming execution. Execution happens in a sequential manner, one instruction after another within a single process. No internal parallelism unless explicitly programmed with threads. Process contains. A process consists of the following parts in memory: text section, stack, data section, and heap. Text section, the actual compiled code, also known as program code. A stack in that stack contains which store the temporary data like function parameters, return addresses, and local variables. Data section, which contains the global or static variable. Heap, a memory area used for dynamic memory allocating during runtime. How does a program become a process? When the executable file is loaded into memory and starts executing, it becomes a process. This loading and execution can be triggered via graphical user interface, for example, clicking an icon. Command line interface, for example, typing the program name. A single program can be multiple times each instance forming a separate process. For example, opening multiple browser windows. Process state in the different states a process can be during its life cycle. There are five process states: new, running, waiting, ready, terminated. First one is new. The process is being created. For example, when you launch an application. Second, running. The CPU is currently executing the instructions of the process. Third, waiting. The process cannot proceed until some external event happens. For example, waiting for user input or disk I/O. Fourth, ready. The process is ready to run but is waiting for CPU time to be scheduled. Five, terminated. The process has completed execution or has been explicitly killed. This is the simple diagram of process state transition. New to ready. First one is new to ready. Once created, a process goes to the ready queue. Process has been admitted. Ready to running. The process is picked by the CPU scheduler to run. uh, Running to waiting. The process needs to wait for an event occur. For example, input, output, or event wait. Waiting to ready. The event completes and the process is ready again. Running to terminated. The process finishes or is terminated. Running to ready. If the CPU is needed by a higher priority process. Um, Preemption. Thank you.